Welcome back to another episode of the Scran Line Every Day. I'm your host, Nick McCreadies, and today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate stuffed flatbread. This is a Turkish flatbread stuffed with spinach and cheese, and it's called Gozleme. Really easy to make, and it's a great lunch option. Let's begin by making the dough. So you want to add your flour, salt and sugar to a large mixing bowl. Today I'm using Peggy, my stand mixer, fitted with a dough hook. You're going to mix that just to combine everything before you add some warm water and oil. And guys, the temperature for that warm water is on my website in the written recipe on thescranline.com. You want to mix that for about 8 or 10 minutes until it reaches a nice smooth dough look. Set that aside to rest for 20 minutes and let's move on to the filling. Now today we're going to be using a lot of spinach, and it looks like a lot, but the thing about spinach is that when you cook it, it cooks down a lot as well. So I like to just make sure that my spinach is cleaned and dried, otherwise you're going to end up with soggy gozleme. Use a large knife to just chop it up roughly and add that back into a bowl along with some finely chopped mint, half of an onion, some freshly minced garlic. One of the cheeses I'm going to be using today is a low moisture mozzarella. It's really important you use low moisture mozzarella because otherwise you'll end up with a soggy gozleme. I would recommend freshly shredding that as well. Add all of that into a bowl along with some nice salty feta, an egg, and then just mix it up. Our dough has been resting for 20 minutes and we're just going to cut it into 4 pieces, roll each of those pieces into 4 little balls, and then just start rolling them into large rectangle shapes, about 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Add a quarter of the filling inside and then use your hands dabbed in a little bit of water to go around the first half of that pastry with the filling side, just to help the other half stick to it as you fold it over. Squeeze down that pastry just to get rid of the air and then use a fork to prick holes into it. This is going to allow the steam to escape as it cooks and it'll make sure that everything stays nice and flat. Lastly, pinch the sides and seal it all up. This is going to go into a skillet on medium-high heat with a little bit of oil. You're going to cook it on each side for about 3 or 4 minutes until little golden spots appear, then flip it over and repeat. Once this is finished cooking, what you want to do is cut it up, drizzle it with some lemon and sprinkle with some fresh parsley, and it's ready to serve. This is really great nice and hot like pizza, but also like pizza, it's really delicious when it's cold. If you want to grab the recipe, it's on my website, thescranline.com. I would love for you guys to let me know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.